Good morning, everyone. I am Rishti Vyas of Class 7, and today I am going to represent a speech on Earth Day. Friends, today as we come together to celebrate Earth Day, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible planet we call home. Earth Day is a reminder of the importance of cherishing and protecting our environment. Our planet provides us with everything we need to live, from the air we breathe to the food we eat. It's a beautiful and diverse world, filled with wonders both big and small. But it's also facing challenges like pollution, deforestation, and climate change. That, that's what Earth Day is so important. It's a chance for us to reflect on our impact on the planet and commit to make to making positive changes. Whether it's planting trees, cleaning up litter, or reducing our carbon footprints, every action we take can make a difference. Let's use this day as a catalyst for action and a reminder of our responsibility to protect the earth for future generations. Today we are here to talk about Earth Day, a special day where we focus on taking care of our planet. It's like a birthday party of Earth. But here's the thing. Is it enough to only celebrate Earth Day one day?